Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the delicious corn chowder. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Red pepper cut into 1-inch pieces. Onion as well. Carrot is peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces. Peel and cut the potatoes as well. It's convenient to use frozen corn, but you can always use fresh corn. Butter and diced bacon. Unsalted chicken stock. Mix chicken stock with water. Peel garlic and shallots. Heat up a deep pan, then add bacon to sauté at medium heat. Add butter and sauté. Add garlic and shallots. Sauté. Add onion pieces, then sauté until fragrant. Add carrots and red peppers. Continue to sauté, then add half of the potatoes. Sauté for 1 minute. Add chicken stock water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes at medium heat. Pour the mixture into a blender. Blend for about 10 seconds. The mixture does not need to be too smooth. There are still some small pieces of veggies inside. Add flour, then blend again. Pour the mixture back to the pot. Add rest of the potatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Add corn and cook for 3 minutes. Add salt and white pepper to taste. Then add whipping cream and cook until the soup boils again. Don't overcook after adding the cream. The delicious hearty corn chowder is now ready to serve. Enjoy!